Longview Street. All right, let's see what we see here. Oh, come on. Really? Boy, this thing is full. This thing is holding water. Yep. Sure is. Can't even see anything. Yep, it's so full. Let's see how far I can push this out. Oh my God, I'm hitting something really hard right there. Should be flying out here. Oh man, this thing is, wow. Yeah, it's like all sludge.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, it's not good.
No. You got all that water down.
You got that right.